Hello WordPress people. So in this video we are going to talk about adding styles and scripts to the admin pages. So we will be adding those style and scripts on the specific pages so that it doesn't affect the performance of the other pages. So that will be the efficient way, and let's jump into the code. So here this is my local WordPress setup, and I have already created my custom plugin. So if you don't know how to create custom plugin, I will provide the link into the description section. So this is my custom plugin and I'm gonna add the code inside this plugin. So this is my WordPress repo, and inside WP content plugin I will open my plugin includes admin.php. So as we are going to add script for the admin page, I am going to use this admin.php. So which hook we can use to add style and script for the admin pages? So the hook name is admin enqueue scripts. So I'm gonna add that hook, add option, and at the very last I will show you the important aspect or important note about this hook. So WP enqueue scripts and callback function BWP admin style script. So in order to add script or style, first I'm gonna add style. So WP enqueue style, and I'm gonna add handle. So BWP admin style, and another parameter will be the URL of style. So I have already created style under assets, CSS and plugin.css, and in that plugin.css I have given the color to h1 tag. So I'm gonna add this CSS for the admin pages. So first of all, let's add the URL. So for URL, I'm gonna open my main file where I define this constant. So I will use this constant which returns the URL for plugin, and then assets CSS plugin.css CSS plugin.css. Now I'm gonna open this setting page as well. So I will open in another tab. So our style did not apply. Let's see why. WPNQU, our spelling should be right. Let me, oh sorry, not WP, admin enqueue script, my bad. Sorry about that guys. So yeah, action will be admin enqueue scripts. Now if I refresh this, as you can see, the color of this title is changed to whatever we added over here. And if I refresh this plugins page, this is also h1, and this color is also changed. But let's say I want my custom style to apply only my custom pages, not for the all pages, because we don't want to change styling of other part. And this is my setting page for the custom plugin, so I just want to add style for this page only. So how do we do that? So this hook has one argument called hook. Now let's print this hook echo $hook. What this hook does, it will get the slug of the visited page. So let me refresh this page and I'll show you what that means. So here you can see that something is printed, so I'm gonna inspect and I will go to this body tag. I will zoom it. So as you can see, it prints the slug of the page, top level page, BWP settings. So as this is top level page, so it adds top level underscore page and BWP setting from here. And let's go to plugins.php and refresh it. And let's see what we get over there. So here we get slug plugins.php. So we can use this hook for adding style and scripts to the specific pages. So I'm gonna add this condition: if the page is this, then only apply the style or include the style. I'm to refresh this custom setting page. Now this should not be changed, but if we go over here, okay, this is already changed because yeah, we added this over on our custom page only, so this switch back to the normal. So similarly, if we want to add script, which I already added over here in the assets JS plugin JS, so I'm gonna add script as well. Oops, sorry, I will add assets JS plugin.js. So if we open the plugin.js, we see this console over here. Let me remove this code for a moment. So we should be seeing this log in the console on this settings page. So I'm going to open the inspector, go to console, clear it and refresh it. So we see this custom JS log on this page. Let's go to another page and inspect it and console and refresh this. We should not be getting that log on this page, so we haven't got that log on this page. So this is the most efficient way to add style and script on the admin pages. We should not be adding this style and script to the all pages, only we should add only to the specific pages. So this is the video, guys. If you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video.